Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We're going to do another Amazon package unboxing here. So today we're unboxing the Zeeksaw hand chainsaw. Now it isn't a Milwaukee, but it does take Milwaukee batteries, as you can see here. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what you get when you buy the Zeeksaw chainsaw. So it comes in a very nice carrying case, as you guys can see. Let's open it up. And there you go. That's what you get when you open up the box. So inside the box, of course, you get the little chainsaw. What else do you get? You get safety glasses. You get gloves. You also get, this is the reason I bought this kit, you get two different bar sizes. So the one that's on here right now is the 6-inch bar, chain and bar and everything. But it also comes with an 8-inch bar replacement and the chain to go along with it. Little oiler bottle. So the nice thing with this thing is this one actually has a onboard oil tank. Some of them don't come with the onboard oil tank. This one does. So you would go ahead and fill your oil right there. Any bar and chain oil will work for this specific application. And yeah, this is a primer ball for the actual bar to prime up the oil. So it's a very nifty little chainsaw. Anybody that has Milwaukee batteries, this will work with Milwaukee batteries. This is designed for it. You can also get DeWalt. I believe you can also get Makita. There is variants that work with all these different kinds of batteries. But let's go ahead and see. Nicely clicks on just like so. Nice little safety right here. Push style safety. There you go. Quite a nice little chainsaw. This is going to work really great if you don't want to pack your gas-powered saw if you're out on the trail, if you're snowmobiling or ATVing or even hiking. It's a small little saw. Very handy, very nice, compact little saw. So yeah, this is the Zeeksaw. If you guys are interested in buying this for yourself, I'm going to go ahead and put a link, an affiliate link in the description below. You can go on to Amazon and get this guy for yourself. But there you go. That is the Zeeksaw little, I guess they call it a hatchet saw. So yeah, if anybody's got any comments or questions, feel free to drop me a link or a comment. I'd be happy to answer you. And if you guys have any ideas of any other products that you'd like me to review, send me a chat. I'd love to see it. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys, and see you again next time.